Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Nest app and manage thermostats, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone and locate the App Store. If you have an iPhone, open the App Store. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Nest and press enter. Look for the Nest app in the search results. Tap on the Nest app to open its details page. Next, click on the download or install button. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the Nest app. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Nest account, enter your credentials. If you are new to Nest, select the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once logged in, tap on Add a Product to set up your thermostat. Follow the prompts to connect your thermostat to the app. Make sure your thermostat is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Once connected, your thermostat will appear in the app. You can now view and manage the settings of your thermostat. Explore options such as temperature adjustments and scheduling. For energy usage, navigate to the Settings section of the app. You'll find insights about your energy consumption. To set a temperature schedule, tap on the Schedule option. You can create different temperature settings for different times. To monitor your thermostat remotely, ensure you have an internet connection. You can also receive alerts and notifications from the app. For additional features, check any available updates for the app. Regularly update the app to ensure optimal performance. Managing your thermostat with the Nest app is now at your fingertips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.